Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to find profitable, how to draw niches on Amazon KDP. I reveal how to find these sub niches on Amazon KDP. I'm going to show you how to get multiple different niches, and I'm also going to reveal some best tips and tricks. Now, before I begin, make sure to become a subscriber if you're not. Like the video if you found it helpful, and comment down below on future topics you'd like me to cover. Make sure to check out the link below and get access to the How to Draw book generator and software. Now, to find these niches that I'm going to explain and reveal on this video, you're going to want to download the AMZ Suggestion Expander. This is a free Chrome tool that you can get. Make sure you download this and enable it for the incognito mode. Now, why incognito? You always want to use Amazon incognito mode when looking for niches because it won't be polluted by your past search queries and suggestions. Really important step. Okay. Now, what you want to do when you click in here and you have your AMZ, you see this, you have the AMZ Suggestion Expander enabled in incognito mode. You're going to want to put in how to draw. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of options show up. Okay, now these options, they're not bad, they're not the best. Okay, and I'm going to explain how to find the niches that actually going to earn for you. Okay, you don't want to jump into a overly saturated market. You want to tap into a relatively small sub niche that's themed. Really important. You want it to be themed to a particular topic, and you want it to not have too many results. I'm going to show you that right now. So what you want to do is go through your keyboard and click or type in the letter for each letter of the alphabet. So let's say I put W. Okay, you're going to see how to draw women, how to draw workbook, how to draw wolves. This is really cool. How to draw wolves. Let's dive into this. How to draw wolves books for kids 8 to 12. Very specific. You can see there's a result count of under 1,000. It's really good. We know that people are searching for this long tail keyword phrase. We can see that already at the top we have some sponsored. Actually, no, we have a sponsored ad here. So people are paying to be at the top for this search query. We see how to draw wolves. This is an organic, by the way, organic search result. It has a BSR score. That means it's already selling. Okay, and it's not too strong of a BSR score. This person already has 13 reviews, I should say, which is a great sign. Not a lot of results right here. Let me expand on that. This is remarkable. Only 72 results. Okay, so usually I tell people, my students and whatnot, to, if you can, get a result score under 1,000. This is a result count of only 72, which is great news for us. Okay, so then you want to scroll down here and see what else is selling for this, right? So for this keyword, how to draw wolves, only one real competitor. Okay, and we know people are looking for this. This person's selling, as we can see already, this book. This person has 13 reviews, and this person is unopposed by anyone. Okay, so there's no competition. So this is definitely, I'm giving you a great niche here that you can dive into. Make sure you check out the link below, this link below, to get your hands on the how to draw book generator so you can create these types of products. See, now the thing about this mid-content book niches is that it's difficult to enter. That's why we want software and tools to help us create it. Because maybe if you're like me, you have no artistic skills, no artistic talent, no design skills, not much tech skills, right? Besides using your mouse and your computer. If that's you, then you're a lot like me. So I often use tools, online tools, to help me do this. Okay, So this is why this particular keyword is unopposed here. Let's try to find another niche. Okay, let's click another letter. Let's go with F. How to draw flowers, how to draw faces, how to draw Fortnite. Now, Fortnite, you don't want to go after Fortnite because that's copyright. I mean, right? That's an intellectual property. I believe that's a video game. Okay, how to draw furniture, how to draw fantasy characters. That's another one. Okay, how to draw foxes. Let's go with how to draw foxes. Again, extremely low. Check this out. Under 1,000. Okay, under 1,000. That's great news. This is ridiculously low in a good way. Okay, as you can see, how to draw animals. This one has only a picture of a fox in the beginning, sorry, in the front. And this is already selling like gangbusters. They have over 200 reviews. They have a solid BSR score. That means it's already selling. Okay, but we don't have the exact keyword how to draw. Oh, we do right here. The second organic result, because these results here are ads, right? So you can see here sponsored, and you can see here as well sponsored, right? But the second organic result is how to draw fox, how to draw foxes. Again, 21 reviews, mostly positive. They have a BSR of over 1 million. And again, not very much competition here. We have another how to draw foxes. Tons of, well, not tons, but a good amount of reviews. As you can see, they have the BSR score of over 1 million, nearing 2 million, and not very much competition. The result count for this, I can't express how ridiculously low this is in a good way. Okay. This is another niche. Okay, so again, how to find niches for this amazing market. You want to, of course, put in go into incognito mode. Make sure your AMZ free expander tool is turned on, and make sure that you just put in how to draw and go through the alphabet. Okay, J, for example, it's going to reveal a bunch of different niches for you, right? You want a result score of under 1,000, and you want to make sure that the books that you do find that are niche related are already selling. Okay, again, you don't want to run away from competition. You just don't want too much competition, if that makes sense. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also make sure, if you want to create these types of profitable books, that you check out the link below to get more access, to get information on the software that can create these books for you very fast. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.